Yema Ghana for Akwaba na yenhye kasebo no ase. Ghanaian Auditor General eye Owura Daniel Yaw Demlevo. What they told actually say we so disappointed pam. Ewo amemwo mu efri say. Wo hwese ne 2016 mampani akufo do si hye Ghana fo nyina bo say wono de na memwom. Say wo pesika enye na memwom ana wo de benye sika eno nti wo ba no. Wo be ko tia corruption proye ene kankan. Amemwom kro no ene aban mu kro no a yehu ewo Ghana ha no. Wo tirem say na wo woni da so say mampani akufo do aka sa de oh. Nanka corruption ye betimi eto ase. Nanso say na eyadanko daadado yi. Wo tirem say corruption no. Aje Ghana for nsam ama aje aban nsam a wo fa ha no mu corruption eye wawa atu wo fa ha no mo so akoro no eye wawa atu na wo tire mu a wo se ebrebe soin efiti 2016 eba no aban we ema auditor general sika se won fa nkuntia eye corruption se na wo gusu a wo ko nyina no na eye kotoku sa abrobe na enipa bi nsu na mochire a wo mo wa ba mu akoro no a ebo na mamuo mu no eye bo mo denti ye kasai ye klenkofo wedie ni huni fin enso na ya chene pa se wabokro no e wa mambuom auditor general ejire mu ese na ni hu pa se wa ma yetimwe na amamuo ekoso na mampani akufo da nkasa to no mutuo se corruption wobetu ase nanso ewi akire age ne nsam no wo kire se ye felua Ghana yedi nkogo setam ebasi entu saa o haw na se a wo bra wakasa no emunsem liye.
The fight against corruption under this administration to me is a dismal failure. It's a dismal performance. It's not anything to write home about. Yes, I commend the government and the presidency for putting up institutional arrangements and providing funding. But you see, my brother, let me tell you something. Corruption, just as wasteful spending, they all deny citizens the benefit of public funds. So if you set up even the office of anti-graft institutions or you push more money into auditing, and at the end of the day, all that we see is the audit report telling us about how much has been wasted. In fact, it's better you didn't even put that money there. So putting the money there, actually, I was very happy that happened because I knew I was going to go out by myself to hold people accountable. And I was also thinking that the government was also going to join me in the same thing because otherwise I didn't see the reason why they should put money there. But it didn't happen. Anytime we disallow and surcharge anyone, I copied the Attorney General because I saw it as a potential causing financial loss or fraudulent or criminal case. But none of them, the Attorney General, show interest in. I remember even before leaving office, I once wrote to the Office of the Attorney General to say, under the Public Financial Management Act, you are supposed to write every year a report to Parliament, updating Parliament on actions you have taken on Auditor General's report, as well as recommendations from the Public Accounts Committee or Parliament, from Parliament on Public Accounts Committee's findings. And the law says that we should give a copy of that report to the Auditor General. But I have not received any copy. So can you share my copy with me? Because if you have sent it, I have not received it. And up to today, I have not received any feedback on it. So that is how it goes. It's not just a matter of two things that are not the solutions. One is building additional institutions is not a solution to the fight against corruption. Two, funding anti-graft institutions is not the solution. What solves the problem is strengthening these institutions, funding them, and then their findings are taken seriously and people are held accountable.
And what he and our penny Dominic and answer Daniel Yadomlevo, I did 2 Ghana watch them say, if it's bra Ghana ba ye, amemu no MPP aba, na NDC ko, na NDC ko, na MPP aba. Yen shada enya mampani bia no a obetimi akon etia corruption na de obabia no won fa ho kra.
Corruption is multifaceted and very dynamic, and it's very difficult to just overcome corruption. So we have to continue fighting it. But then the fight becomes much easier when the leadership is serious with that, not the rhetorics. Like you said, people are saying zero tolerance, then some will come back and say, oh, it is as old as Adam. Some say if you want money, don't join my government. At the end of the day, say, I'm not going to be holding people accountable just on on the mere basis of what do you call it, allegations. We need evidence. Even when the evidence is there, we don't hear anything. No. But then people have gone to jail before. People have been sentenced for causing financial loss and etc. to the state. What about what is happening today, when millions of monies are being paid, and we don't have the evidence of that? You need to say that all that the Auditor General is reporting to us are not correct. I hope you read the COVID report from the Auditor General. Then after he has issued several reports, forget about the reports issued during my time and talk about the current Auditor General. You read his report. It is full of several things. I heard of National Ambulance Commission Authority or whatever it is, so many millions being paid, amounts which are higher than even the cost of the ambulance being paid for cost of spare parts and what not, etc. And President is telling us what? I think this is what I keep saying, that when people assume political office, they should not take the others to become daft people or people who cannot think through what they are being told. So they should credit us with some knowledge at least. It is a leadership problem. We have not yet come across a leader who is truly committed to fighting corruption.
And what he announced for Ebisa, Yera Daniel Yadomlevo say, Office of the Special Prosecutor, so we have a performance. And in the media word, you say corruption fight and what, and also Yera saying, Ninchiremu.
Let me be honest and tell you that I was one of those who were against the establishment of that office in the first place. When the bill was proposed, I was then in office as Auditor General. I was against it because I thought we had enough anti-graft or anti-corruption institutions. The method of fighting corruption should not be a stumbling block for us. The most important thing is that we win the battle. So I didn't have any problem with that. And of course, His Jabin has also come in and he's doing his best. And I think the gentleman has to be commended. But what you hear is frustration. Martin complained that he was being frustrated and bowed out. President Jabin also comes in and tells us that even the court are frustrating his work. I don't think this is right. So I'm not saying that the office of the special prosecutor is redundant, but if I have my way, I will have combined that office and that of Yoko and give them the higher level of mandate to ensure that they can investigate everything in relation to corruption, money laundering, and etc., and have the prosecutory power that the OSP have today, so that we don't have to replicate those offices. You know, Yoko is already in the regions and the districts. So if we combine the two and headed by one person, I think that will also save us some money. But I will not say that the office of the special prosecutor is not doing well. So far, so good. I think that is about the only institution, from my point of view, which is serious about the fight against.
Any ayeti yeyi eye Ghanaian Auditor General Yera Daniel Yadomlevo.
Yentu akasiabo no so ne yemomfa nwremu e founder e the Media Coalition Against Illegal Mining. Papa we de ne body mba wo bo nyina nse o maga na nyina kwan hodo ageze ne yakwati kwan ya Ghana fo efa so etufu magudie ne nyana mo panti omba modea esore de tia ne din ene Dr. Kenneth Eshigbe wakase kirem sei nyene asante hene otumufo osai tutu otoso mienu obon ho modem pa efrise hwa na mo a otu ne osai kase e wesai edefa ekwan hodo Ghana fo ebinum enam kwati kwan etufu magudie na eso ne yepan wakase kirem sei otumufo modem ba wo no esefata se Ghana fo nyina no bebo ne chidom ne yabo yensem ede ama na efrise adwuma papa na wo ye no emra no de nsem trefo kase na okirem sei asante hina na motu a woti we na nka hu behia mpo sei enka omanga na himfu ni nyina beta na chi na nkaja mensiri mantam mu anyina himfu ni nyina beka bomba ako na nkaja nimpa hodo omanam kwati kwan so etufu magudie ese omanga na ye na kwaye yan inso ne yana sase no enkede mo mbaden etu wono so sa apam wono de fromanga na mafi se anama wono mutu na bedu baabi no omanga na ye bebere pan opani yi kirem se anamo asante hini tu ne de Ghana himfu ni bi adeda wono mababi akwatena ejisi kapudo go mbotom ti no wale mu chebe nsuanso bo ne beba omanga na so de nya de wale mu dwene ho kran opani aka sa kirem se osoi kase ya Ghana fo nyina etu ede eku etiafo magudie etu no o kirem se manyokwa hudo nya momoden enkom tuba emfambo ndi se bo mba akomu ade na wana mon taje sa himfu ni nyina achi no momoden enko entola se free se omanga na bebe ye dro no se de galam se yi esa yensa se omanga na kokko ni fu magudie a enipa binum etu ni nyafu enko emfa kwampaso no o kirem se omanga na wo he bedu babiri nso ye ba no mpo eho ba ya den agese ya kran so edi fam no ne edi ba omanga na asa omanga na de hye nyinso anum ti sana monto na nipa bi edem na so wonu nsem etu esai oman Ghana ensase ahodo ni nyina wotirem se samanyoko ni nyina nka mo anfa mbom na o mantan otumufo asante ni o ezene o se tu eche bedi babu ni Ghana bedi edokro kwa ne sende wakasa tirem se amanyoko ni nyina Ghana de hye nyina yente ye kire ne yemoa na fam gudia amanfo bi ne nkwati kwanso mutuo no yanko entu ase ode ojemira ni semtofo kasaye emu enchire munie.
I remember writing an article, the article that led to the formation of the coalition. That was how many years ago? And this is how far we have come. So we need to change our modus operandi. This evening, we had a meeting of the media coalition against Galamsey, and we're planning a few things. There are a few new things that we are going to plan. And one of them is what my brother Senano was saying. It's about mobilizing other people. So, we'll have a press conference, but at that press conference, we're going to mobilize labor. We're going to mobilize, the religious bodies. We're going to seek, currently there's only one leader in this country who's showing the things that ought to be done. For who has shown that 3 of his chiefs involved in an illegality. And again, we forget that we have our traditional judicial system. Take them through the judicial system, sit at Asanteman, and find them guilty and punish. Just suppose that was what the president did. When the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources pronounced Akonta Mining as being involved in an illegality, Erastus had ample evidence to show that not only was Akonta mining within the Town of Nimere Forest Reserve, but also a regulation that had been brought up brings a buffer. They were mining within the buffer close to the tunnel. You had then the Minerals Commission come to collaborate the points that the minister has said. We petitioned the IGP. The IGP referred the matter to the Director General CID. Up till now, when I sat on the same podium with the president at the Catholic Priest Congress and asked him what was he doing about Akonta Mine, he sat on that podium and told me that as we spoke, Akonta Mine was not involved in an illegality.
Eni awoti ye ayafanda edema media coalition against illegal mining. Nede ade Dr. Kenneth Ashigbe nene na awoti ye. Enu echi na executive director edema Water Resources Commission no Dr. Bob Afa ono so aka say kirem say edu ba bimpo na mo ko ba bia insuo ahodo wo akwa samples ni bi ahwehwe ma ahunu ba bia jezere galamsey ase o manga na insuo aduro na ne so o man ajeze o manga na so ahwehwe o manga na insuo so ahwehwe mapa edu ndura ahodo ati insuo ye ne a na akwa ye nsempi na eze ne galamsey fo itata wono masum kirem so mo kwa mo bia wono e ma betwe samples no o kirem se sana motuo ye galamsey fo no tu nsempini fo mo den amfo mo na nsi fom anko antu ase bedu ba bi ni Ghana aje say ye krenso edifra ma no bo memu ansa na ye nsupa etimi anom.
But there are some specific areas that you can't even have access to. They have barriers, security posts, where you will have to show your credentials or the reason why you have to, access those areas. And sometimes we have to navigate our way to be able to get to the river and take samples. There are times we have to rely on satellite images. Using the color of the water, we are able to correlate and determine the values of the turbidity. And it matches very well with areas where we have direct access that we can actually take samples to the laboratory. So we are all on the same page, and sometimes when we persuade them that we are only coming to take samples, but we are not coming to stop the galamsey, then they may allow us to go and take the samples. But that impudence is beyond imagination.
Any awoti ye executive director Edema Water Resources Commission no ne din ede Dr. Bob Afa nene na awoti ye.
Yentu akase ebo no so na ye momwre mu ne nkwa asante mantem mu a asante bekwai circuit court atnase na court no ahye se abrantia ne din ede akwasi agiman wo 20 years wo ye mechanic tete no anke beka so wo ye fitani court se won konko da afiase emfinhia makomako aduonu num 25 years na wo pia wo besue nyansa pa ede free abrabom ne boni awade nyina no ene se West African Secondary School so am certificate yankwadai atwrei wase no abawa bako a wo twro bie okọ school ewo bekwai SDA senior high you try to assess das na abawa no exams na wo twro no wo de afrope banchire dem ana atwro kira se wanyam ana wo twro enso hwe no na manebono kura kirem se abawa na ka be se bosome pene wawo na kire se 8 months pregnancy eyewurade eni akoda ya ade ana wode na fui ana wode tron so hwe ana wode tron so hwe no am na amanebo ni kirem se August bosumi etwa mu nda toso aduonu enum 25th August ye etwa mu yankwada na tron so hwe no anaja open for student open for graduate wadadam a kire se wo tu nkromo ade abeche amwa kwakwotro no so hwe dia wote ya no se obi bipuno ni epuna wodam no na sada wodam no obi buani enye abranti a wobu pure ni sa kwasi agiman wo hura da no mu a wakoto de ahye wopemfo no so atwese kesi no so se nyemiema wono hu nyina won famra ansam ba kura ni ampani ni ampa woto sha abranti woto sha baba wai so wopemfo na ho de wai waje na iPhone ko waje ni sika kakra de ko waje na itel phone aya yenim se eye enyema miensa wo san ka de eye sana akwasi agiman wo ya moori kromfo wono no wo wie bibia kura no a na ni soi emefe shada ho wetimi se tu mefen de ko etimi se yi matches e de ko na wo wi anyema na nyina wie no ohunu se da bi opemfo no ho akono ana wo san atwe se kan se wo pemfo yi so ene bra ho ase konfo kwa adanum wo se bra ho ase owura ba bra ho ase ema watwe sekensi ababa wa isu oto no mo na afemfram obi a wanyem abosome nwotwe wato no mo na awie na no ana ababa wa no tietie mu a emema ko yampa ahemache no na no mutwa adan no hwia ya yiri ni se ten a ye kasai wo mde kopie mu e wo bekwa aposifo ensem na eno na court atenase na wopani a wotena gamu ese wotemuafo no Justice Isaac Apietu wahye se abrante no boni a wadie nti wonkonko da fiase mfinhia aduonu 25 years na wopia nyamiadom wobesua nyansa kakra so de free mu na wobra de kwado no bo no wodi tum se ampa boni ne de wadi robbery wakwa roba ana rape so no wakwa rape enti yade ni nyina bon wodi tum se ampa my lord boni ni mienu amode bom ni nyina no madi na mmom no momfa me bone encheme ana court se da bi yentimi fa bone no enchewo na kwadu boni a wogina court wanim ebo kwadu detective chief inspector Eric Chum ana wode sansem wonyina eto court wanim a ye kasa yi abrante akwasi agiman asante bekwa executive court say wakoto wopemfo monna na wasa awia ne ho niema no watwese kanso wom armed robbery any rape enu nti won kwada fiase emfinhia aduonu enum emunsam enie
yantu akase ebo no so yemfa ya nimfa nkyere mu ewo asante mantanem na Ghana Police Service for eden katama bonten kyerem sei enipa binom tezanya semkuma akura nam kwati kwan so edada Ghana de hye bi se omodo mo ye adwuma ewo ye kew net kura bata ewo asante mantanem nti Ghana de hye dodo na wo hwa na be ho anse ne notification na ba phone so aja ene aboa wo hia ebatwe Ghana fo pieto akwato sumuna so nti na je Ghana fo binom so edibirikan tentasa na ono ma apply no akopie mu adwumakuo ya so ye no ma dada Ghana de hye bebre na Ghana Police Service fo eba mane say wonom ensa atuni aka enipa wonom tusa na momboni emu mako ahanan ene ediowatwe enson 487 say wonom no eye suspect say wonom aba maden andam kwati kwan so metire pony scheme edan da Ghana de hye bi edom fa kwati kan ahodo so mbaji omusika de ahye mbotom na empenifo ne Ghana Police Service fo ma ne bono ekyem say enipa wonom achi wo mun emu mako ahamienu ana vinso dionum so 257 wonom eye ma ene mu mako ahamienu ene aduasa 230 eye mema no maka bom eda da Ghana de hye bi wasante mante mitre eduma ya eno no ewo Kenya se a eya bro no ba ko a eno no wo Kumase na enka na ekyerem say sa nimpa wudumade omudi nyansa na da kwati kwan ahodo no da Ghana vadi hye bi do wo ba ye betimi ya boa mo wetima investment ebeso aba bebre na ma se osika etua begu botom eba na abo ho do twodi amawo Ghana de hye bi tepe na omode akopie mu onkofo ya kate dese nkofo dada won gigigi won musika san na Ghana Police Service fo ne ba man ya say enam sa na moto na mutu no ma omode ahwehwe mu mapa ema na bede ya de say sa na monto na sa enipafo etu a omukyem se mo ya adwuma ewa ye ke net fo aso na mukyem se da bi eye nkontom ponti o mati ni poto mo konko boa na hwehwe mu mapa entini enso ani emfanfa sa na moto na wonum etuwen na mpanifo ne kyerem sɛ mpanifo ho da ɔmo yɛ specta ɔno mo kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ executive adema ɛyɛ saa kewnet adwumakoi no ɔno mo kyerem sɛ enipa maako bɛde sɛ du mmienu a ɔno mo akye ɔno ma ɔmo yɛ executive no bi ɛyɛ opani baako ne din edi kan ne din agyere ne ɛyɛ gyerɛ Evan ɔyɛ ɔba ɔna edi kan Evan so Francis ɛyɛ kpasa ɔno so aka ho bi Samuel Musa ɔka ho bi ɛyɛ Simeon Yakubu nso opani nso ka ho bi ɛna Thomas ɛyɛ Kwadwo a ɔno so ka ho bi Kwesi ɛyɛ Nyabi ɔka ho Benjamin ɛyɛ Inyisma ɔno so ka ho bi ɛyɛ Elijah Musa ɔka ho Moses ɛyɛ Ketu ɛna Vizi John ɛyɛ Balabon ɛyɛ Nabik ɛyɛ Nakibi ɛna Vizi James ɛyɛ Ngoma ɛna Vizi Fidelis ɛyɛ Bank Ibi wɔn yɛ nipa ahodoɔ bi a wɔyɛ executive a wɔn da ɛyɛ Kewnet wɔn adwumakua ɛkyesankura bata ɛwɔ Asantema ni Ghana Police Service for ɛbɔ amaneɛ sɛ saa mpanimfo a wɔn nyinaa ka nipa maako 487 ho a wɔakye wɔn kɔ akɔgyina mmara no na mmara ɛna wɔn adi efiri sɛ saa na mɔtɔ na wɔto no ɛyɛ nada a wɔdada Ghana de hyɛ bi ɛde wɔn sika ɛde go mbotom wɔn nkra ahodoɔ a ɛfiri Ghana Police Service for so ɛyɛ ba de yɛ kasa bɔ awia yi yɛbɔ akyire ɛde asom yɛn ɛtiefo
yɛn to akaseɛbɔ no so ana yɛbɔ de awura mu ɛwɔ amanyɔsɛm mu na wɔpani a wɔtu franka apre to me sɛ mampani ɛwɔ NDC amanyɔkuo no di mu ɛyɛ kane mampani John Dramani Mahama wɔyi na anu asi hɔ no mu a wɔde ne nto abo akɔpie mu ɛwɔ Bono East Mantam no emu na ɛno a wɔbra wɔne wɔmanfoɔ ne adehyia a ɛwɔ Kentampo South edi nkɔmɔ na wɔtire mu sɛ wɔmanfoɔ ne adehyia wɔnom ɛwɔ Bono East no wɔn dwumadi a wɔn mu die ne baako a edi mu ntintimai paa no ɛyɛ cashew farming nanso no cashew no akuafoɔ no bɛda nwuram abere saa ɛbɛwi akyire na wɔn atɔn no fofofo efiri sɛ adeɛ bi ne hɔ no mu a ɛwɔ mpɔtam hɔ a wɔn betumi adaadaa ni ama raw materials no yɛtumi anya finished goods anase finished product ɛwɔ mu ɛno nti wahyɛ wɔn mu nyinaa bɔ sɛ nyankopɔn yɛ adom na ɔno kane mampane John Dramani Mahama no wɔpanima bosom de tɔsonso Ghana for the tumi ɛma no a wɔbɛhwɛ na wɔtumi asi ɛyɛ cashew factory ɛwɔ Kentampo ɛne ne mpɔtam sɛ ne bɛyɛ a ebetimi aboa yie papapa ama akuafo wɔn mu edua cashew ɛwɔ Bono East ɛne ne mpɔtam nyina no wɔn atimi anya ho ɛmfasoɔ wɔtire mu ɛsɛ nananom akuafo anekita wɔ my Ghana efiri sɛ sankanya akuafo anka ɛbɛɛdan ane edidi ɛno nti ɛba ne sɛn ana yɛn a yɛte kurom ha no yabrabɔ no etimi kɔyie kakra nanso akuafo no asɛbio wɔn da na nyanya mforowa wɔn di kan kwa yɛbretuo mu nso wɔn anya de kuro no ɛba ne sɛ na wɔn abrabɔ nso etimi ɛte saa ɛno nti wɔhyɛ wɔn mu nyinaa bɔ sɛ wɔba cashew factory deɛ wɔbɛsi bi ɛde ama wɔmanfoɔ ne adehyia a ɛwɔ mpɔtam ho ama wɔn so dwumadi a wɔn die no empuntuo ne animonyam atimi abam ama mfasoɔ nso wɔn nsa timi aka kane mampani John Dramani Mahama wɔkasa no emu nsɛm nie
enti Bono East titiri yɛ bɛpɛ nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmbɛba bɛsi cashew factory enti afi biara ɔmbɛtɔ cashew no fɛfɛɛfɛ yɛbɛma boɔ no aba soro sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a cashew farmers no so ɔmbɛnya sika hyɛ ɔmo bɔtɔm sɛnea ɛyɛ kokoo no saa ne ɛbɛyɛ cashew cocoa emre no dru say yebeti cocoa government announce producer price of cocoa I just say ekrafo no enim say me take bottle say na menya saa ne be ya makashu so emre no be so a yebebo price no say ne be ya ekrani no be hu sikadodo a obenya so okote ne cashew na ya ma factory for no ato no mo siesie ne kama na yeso ye de akọ amanone akoton ene amika say Indian for ebeto ya cashew omo de cashew no call India no more cornea no more yen kama no mum omo dia call abrochire akoje dollars na yen ha de yabema ya bibi kakre e bi no etubetwa ehihye fofo a ye de ba no ebeboa ama ikuafo no so eje sika etimi ahwe omo abrabon
na enu achi no ana kana mampane John Dramani Mahama edetato na wochire mu se wobra na wote so se mampane no akwan hodo pie no ode ne nsa eka ye nanso no mampani Akufuado ene MPP fo ba ye no saa akwan ya na wo ye ni nyina no akansinsemu eto donko se na nkwansere nanso no Ghana fo ene Bono East Mantam no nyagidie se wosa ba bie mu a ekwan bia wo hye ase ni project ahodo a wo hye ase no wo bewie ama omanfo wo ho nso enya so mfaso
enti na ye Ghana fo ni bi enti ne de cocoa roads ba ya ye de bi ba amoma se ne be ya ye kwan na trucks na ebetwe cashew no kono ombenya kwan aba beto cashew no ne ye de kwa amano ne edisikaba Ghana enti yeba saa kwan ni nyina yebeto aso biom 2020 ye di fidie begu saa kwan so yeto abawie ya eno ano enombe saa kwan afia yebeto ababiom ehu se contractor gu so na minimsi account so miensa akei enkoba se ombeba begu so fefe na bibia yeye eyendisi na beba beto aso ewie saa mokwan amamo Ezu na ma send me contact for ebo amehia mo ne say ye NDC ye ma enkanche contractor ne say onje adwuma no nto adwuma o ye no ye be ma na to aso no awie kwai no fefe
na enu achi no ana kana man Peligon Dramani Mahama wasa de tato na wo kire mu say Bible kan quotation bi na ene de panis quotation be ya ana wo kire mu say Bible sise nipa bonefo ni wudi ni ebedi wo man so a woman ne bre na timamufo nso si apene ane yesi wo chirim san ane wo se ensuo no a ento no a wo pebrantam asie ne nyina no mampani akufo ado ho ahintia efise nyankopon bo afu ne pa ma se amamuo no age nyankopon nsam kura e wo soro ho
yenim se teach you se wo bo oman ana wo hwe oman so a ne hia pa ne se wamanfo ene aduane edi ene aduane bo de ezu MPP amambo nti afimpo ensu anto yie ama yeduani bebre asai ezu eza entina NDC de near Feno Farmers Service Center I just said district bia ye bie baako ho near the tractors Farmer Service Center near ye the tractor baako edu beba begu ho
eni ayeti ye eye franka kura ne de ma NDC chiniye kese amanyuko no kana man Pene John Dramani Mahama na wote ne nkana na John Baba Mustafa Sogian was greetings to Cecilia Akwansen from Tema Yedase John ewo Manes Royal Hotel ewo Cape Coast ana Josephine Anajman was good afternoon daddy Okogyeabour mo ene Kwadwo Sammy the news is loud and clear I am enjoying you life Yedase papa Auntie Jo ana Hansen Diodo was so me ha me akwaba was news no edem papa na wo hwe life e di free dansoman Atomic Hotel dansoman ono so de baye Kofi Parliament and was enti Ghana enkosi da ben wo mawe ebeye yie adwenbone panie Yedase pam Derek Ayeti was wuti ye hwe life e di free nkrakan wo me ha ana Smith Antobam was say NDC is coming again vote for Mahama and on also what the buy ebusha enra we so na ye homra sesia e ba de aka akire ye de beso Jack makwako hunu new lucky electricals na wura mu a eniema wo ho no ese abrochire wo niema hodo bi ti se cables main switch ceiling fan switch and sockets lights and also wo chandeliers floodlight street light spotlight surface light any lights ahodo PVC pipes trunkings any breakers ni nyina bi e wo new lucky electricals New Lucky Electricals, eye wholesaling and retailing. Na sa wo pe ba ko so a obetimi abowrem eno nti some ye companies we ye fiera and say mo ye contractors na mo pe enkane ahodo ene electrical cables e de mudwuma de for ani kire mu e wo New Lucky Electrical wo ye delivery service eno nti ba bia wo bia no ye betimi de niam no abrel na dodo a wo beto no so e wo ne discount a ye de e chewo wo branches ahodo pi Accra Central or Opera Square or by Wisconsin International University ewo North Legon a womo any DLFM ana eye opposite West London so wo Simabrew Fashion echi hope Achimota New Station New Lucky Electrical Eben Shell Filling Station no wo betimi afred number 0559 37 17 63 esa your WhatsApp anase 0244 21 25 01 wo betimi so asa afred womo ewo 0245 02 46 29 New Lucky Electricals. We add value to your homes.
DLFM 106.9.
Abusia mayansama wa ha ensama wa kwa bamfambra DL 106.9 FM kasafiri so enewie mrewie du se abusia etena se na agudie mu nsama ya boabo no ne yagibre esane mu adigu fam edema Ghana de wa ebibre mu de kan ena nkrofo nkroso de wa manone eka wa nawie yede ebabesomo mi amede nsam na ba di ameje so no ayengsu ano de hye
Apakanjich the blessed kinebusia Ghana mrantie si akan ewa manone no yensha se emfanfi o makache dia abrante yefene Josko Vardiol of Croatia now so sinakan Manchester City ewo English Premier League no wakasa Ready afa Ghana Brantia, your friend Mohamed Kudus, or say last season ye tremono, Ubisa ono Josko Vardiol, set player ben on initiaya, as a defender no obre pa, or beka say a Brantia your friend Mohamed Kudus, or say that day on initiano, Kudus etini pa, emane jene homena, na or season ya your room ayasha see the day, ope player bakwa ohuni say, ne quality na ebe kosro, ewo English Premier League mi pa, Mohamed Kudus, winning some Josko Vardiol ede atudwa ede afa Kudus wa yede atuanim na emra ye babeto transfer window no ewo oma ye fen England last Friday no ekotodwa se boboku a ye fen Fulham esane Ghana Brantia ye fen no eye NS Nhyiraba ede ne fi Olympic Lyon ewo France na L'Equipe eye France ko wakra attackers ye oma kasa se sadana na Brantia ne eye ne Medicals ewo France ede ama Fulham na ne bonyo so esanse na ompeso babe piemu ewo Fulham na so Lyon fo no ene fo so na ehye ne kintene se omfi France emesi na kan ewo England se na be scan be piemu no omo beje na mom no transfer no entimi and go through no bobo kwa efe Olympic Lyon omo owner ye fene textor wa pa brante ne chewo se sadia no mo ye no omfa enchoma ye de wonsem edi amao na Ghanaian ringer Kamadin Sulemana esina kan edema Saddam te no so no danu fiada transfer deadline day ewo England no nanka okolon ewo boboku a ye friend Ajax Amsterdam ewo Netherlands nanso deal no a delay for 17 minutes entimeno ka say Ajax for a file complaint to FIFA say omonhwehwem say deal no ebetumi abaso ana deal no e collapse a ehon enkomo no okay, former Ghana under-20 captain, your friend Crayford Abuaje, me mate Kufodia Sectek. Na Crayford Abuaje no sinakai, Edema Mexico team, your friend Quito FC. Now since 2023, Onya team Amwe. Now so Yamin Chad Yamenoka say, Wabe PM Libya, Abe Sane Edema Bobokwa, your friend Amoroch Sports Club as a free agent. Yede Eonkomo, Ede Atuenim. FIFA Women's Under-20 World Cup, Ekoso ewo Colombia, na Group E second game, the Black Princess of Ghana, Nyami Admochna, wo El Teco Stadium, Bogota, Colombia, no, and you may not do, and Japan, and Black Princess, at the second game, no, Eddie Buenia, Bompire, no, Waka, first game, Omelusu 2-1 to Austria, into game we no, a must win. For the Black Princesses of Ghana, Nyami Admochna, Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Empire Ebega, AFCON 2025 for Morocco, qualifies Group H in the first game. Black Stars of Ghana, any Angola, and Edibaboni 4 p.m. Ghana time, and a side game no Ebabasona Endra, and a Black Stars touch it down, Kumase safely, Endra Numreno, Omutmi a trainee, Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium players no, Dionumino and Andra, Omutmi a trainee and Yayeti, and it's Obia Onyambedu Yano, Jordan, are you almost sharing sende, Obet me Ababedua, Yedon come on, Eddie Atu and Nimna Gemna Ebasono, and there. Enyumre no num ken ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium Media Center no eho na pre-match press conference no otuado any players ni bi ede ebekwa kwahye so na nsantwafo apiem wo na yebisebisa omo questions a eho ensem no na Ghana any Angola no yabo total of 8 games Ghana winning and 9 and Angola winning ba kope and draw no ayemiensa total goals apiem ni 13 Ghana she 8 and Angola etimi ashe 5. The last time I share no ekoye 1-1 draw into se uhwemu dia Ghana ensa eda Angola so china ye share nim se nkunimidie no ebetumi ayeye ndi report eba ene se Angola fon ayenwa abefa kra kodu kumase dada be blanda mo nyame adoma enne ombe training e okumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium se na be yo china game no ebetumi abaswa eho enkomo no na Accra Hearts of Phobia never say that until the bones are fully rotten. Nyame adoma in Accra Sports Stadium 3 p.m. Ghana time no. Omoni Dream Sessi edi Ayonkufa Kensebi edi Yantam so ehon ensem no. Yimano entry a player edema Asante Kotoko or say or share Kotoko chita phone in abo say Nyame adoma weekend way Ghana Premier League na esha se Kotoko any Career United and a ebo first game Yimano entry HMA on befa 3 points no edi etia Career United senabeya e chita phone no any betumi agia ehon ensem no na Barcelona B no a confirme say officially Oma sign Abdul Aziz Issa edine fi bobo kwa your friend Dream Sesi inti officially no Abdul Aziz Issa a player edema Barcelona ewo Spain ehon encommon no Dream Sesi Ringer Sylvester Simba or Granny newly promoted Ghana Premier League side Basekoli Stars on loan from Dream Sesi and encommon no Nations FC a confirming say officially Bechem United almost central defender Samuel Osei-Kuffour or met me assigning a permanent there Samuel Osei-Kuffour as a reunited with the former manager Kasim Mengewa on the Kwakwaye Juma Nations FC on common and no former Bechem United goalkeeper Nancy Okopiemo Azam FC or Tanzania your friend Abdullah Idrisu or the nation our Ethiopia Bobo Kwa your friend Ethio Electric Sports Club 1 year contract and our signing at the amount ehon encommon no yam for fienin senior remo ehon krofon krosodia FIFA Women's Under-20 World Cup group stage neguso ekoso na endra second group stage games no ebi baso na wo group A no Mexico eche Australia bomekami no omo entumi ante group B no France etnase Brazil bomekami ensa omo entumi ante na group E no Japan eche New Zealand bomeka polepole enson omo entumi ante Costa Rica enso Netherlands eche bomekami no omo entumi ante enano pay games no ebi ato Jadada wo group A no Colombia Esheba ko Cameroon entumi ante na urem o group B na Fiji enso etnase ma Canada echomo bomeka polepole enkron a omo entumi anti mu ba kumpo sanso na group C no ene enwumre nondo no Spain ene Paraguay edebe ya ntam so na urem o group D na enwumre nondo no Germany ene Nigeria edebe boani a ehon ensem no Africa Cup of Nations no 2025 Morocco qualifies no Eshasi and the group A no about 3 p.m. and Comoros and Gambia at the Babani Uram our group D so about 4 p.m. and Libya and Rwanda at the Babani group F no 1 p.m. ya Sudan and Niger at the Ebony and group H no 4 p.m. no Tanzania and Ethiopia at the Bayan Tamswa ehon ensem no ebusia emre ne ko into de yenyina we so na yemfa gudie mu nsem ne nsinyame adom na enwumere ye ba ne aka achibia no na yedi ababeto aso edi ama me amedi agudie mu nsem no edi by dia meje so no ayensu ano de share apa kanjich the blessed kina me ame bra pani Mr. Kofi Ayenu o ayensu ano so ate utie maminchia na wife nso no your friend sister Mary ono so minchiano and a sojani penny pa Sergeant Francis Akwabwa uremu ewo Ghana Armed Forces School ono ye director of music na webiem kuha otie ndewie nti Sergeant Francis Akwabwa officer ndewie ye twa pruse yara wasese de biano otie abusia yemfa agudiem nsem no NC
DLFM 106.9. It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yes, I'm at here for a crab. I mean, we're so country Ghana for you. I see a damn wasema. Yen fasada Emma Kofi Taylor one day ko Facebook no so ma when you be ehwe ye na Robert Gameli and we say we politicians and our promises. Say automatically when they want go politicians. Aja, you know yeah. I can care for me no edia mejeso eye Okogyeabour Ocran mene
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B
yada ase ama ha ibese hia
the Yale News.